system, also called E-Manas. The mental disorders cause significant morbidity and disability. Nearly 10% of people in Karnataka are estimated to have at least one mental health problem. In a strong step towards addressing the problem, the Mental Health Care Act 2017 was passed. This act also confers several rights to the citizens across all states of the country. Towards ensuring compliance with this act and towards digitization of mental health care in Karnataka and building a centralized registry, the National Health Mission, Government of Karnataka, NIMHANS and IIIT Bangalore came together for this unique endeavor to collaboratively create the E-Manas platform. E-Manas is an online platform for comprehensive mental health care services across Karnataka. It is expected to establish Karnataka-wide registry of mental health establishments and professionals, people with mental illnesses and their treatment records. This platform also includes the governance modules and is also integrated with Ayushman Bharat Arogya Karnataka, KPME, and is being integrated with 104 Arogya Sahayavani and 108 ambulance services and other healthcare systems. Through this platform, the mental health establishments and professionals in the state can do a self-registration and submit their applications to Karnataka Mental Health Authority for approval. The mental health professionals can use this platform for entering clinical data for outpatients as well as inpatients, and also make available the basic medical records to the patients. The platform also provides a mechanism for maintaining a longitudinal view of patients' health records in paperless EHR format within and across establishments. Citizens can use the E-Manas platform for raising advance directives and nominating their representatives. Patients, caregivers, and other stakeholders can raise grievances to the mental health review boards. On governance side, the Mental Health Authority can approve the registration requests for establishments and professionals. The health review boards can upload the approved advance directives and look into the grievances, and also use the dashboards and reports for effective governance of mental health management in the state. The E-Manas platform is supplemented with user guide, FAQs, and Manas Mitra chatbot for facilitating its usage and adoption across the state. This is the first of its kind solution in the country and is scalable at national level. Any suggestions for improving the platform can be routed to the core team through online channels. Thanks to everyone involved for their contributions, guidance, and support, and best wishes for the journey ahead.